In this video, I'll demonstrate how to resolve problems with Star Wars Jedi Survivor crashing or not launching on your PC. Initially, updating your graphics drivers is a key step. Open the Device Manager from your Windows search, find Display Adapters, right-click, and choose to update the driver. You can either browse your computer or let Windows search automatically for the suitable driver. Another fix involves closing unnecessary processes through Task Manager, Ctrl+Shift+Escape, to see if it resolves the issue. Checking for Windows updates is our third solution. Search for Windows Update in the Windows search bar, go to Windows Update Settings, and click on Check for Updates. Finally, you can disable non-Microsoft services by searching for Windows msconfig, opening the System Configuration app, going to Services, hiding Microsoft services, disabling all, applying the changes, and restarting your PC to see if the issue persists. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.